Okay, if you guys want to solve a log equation, the first thing you gotta do is condense. You have to have one log on each side. You can't have multiple logs on each side. Okay? In this case, we have no logs on the right side, so let's keep it that way. Let's simplify this side. That means you're going to condense this side so we have one log. What do you guys do with the things inside when there is addition? Multiply. So we're going to multiply the things inside, so we have log base. What base is that, by the way? 10, so it's a plus 1. Okay, and I'm writing extra, I'm sorry, because I'm trying to explain, make sure you guys are following me. If I actually multiply those, I get x squared minus 1 because they're difference of squares. Oh, how beautiful is that? And then and then this is what I got so far, okay? Now, how do I get rid of this log so that I can get this x out of here?
Base 10.
Ooh, we base 10 that foo. Okay, because this log has a base 10, we base 10 that foo. So now, this is like a base and this is an exponent. This is a base and this is an exponent. So cool stuff happens now. These cancel out and this guy gets to go down in front. All right, so anyways, we have x squared minus 1. And on the other side, we have a 10. Oh, do you guys know how to solve this, foo? If I move the 10 over so that I have x squared minus, what would that be? 11? Okay, so this would be x squared equals positive 11, and then I get x equals plus or minus 11, or square root 11. So, okay, but there's a problem with this one. I can't circle this as my answers, because whenever you guys solve log equations, you have to make sure they work. You cannot have negatives inside of a log. So now, wait. The square root of 11, that's a nasty, decimal thingy. Do you guys know what numbers 11 is between? Like, if I was on a number line, if I had 0, 1, 2, and 3, and we'll go ahead and do 4, 2. What numbers is square root 11 in between? Yeah, he'd be right here, right? That square root 11 would be somewhere in there. Maybe not exactly right in that spot, but he's in there. Okay, so if he is 3 point something, the positive 3 point something, I plug it in there, do we still have a positive inside of that log?
Mm-hmm.
Do we still have a positive inside of this log? Mm-hmm. If I plug in a positive 3 point something, I still have a positive, right? Because it'd be a 4 point something. So the positive square root of 11 is cool so far. Okay, what about the negative 11? So if I have a negative 3 and I plug it in right here, oh snap, we have a negative in there. So the negative doesn't work. This is our only answer.